Alright folks, here we go. So your feeder goes off, you got deer under it, and the hog comes out, runs those deer off, and it's eating all the corn. You know, you let it sit there, eat the corn. When it gets done, walks off, you hope the deer come back in. They got nothing around to hang around or anything like that. And you're wondering, should you take the shot on that hog? You know, and just, you're gonna screw up the rest of the hunt for the rest of the day or the morning. Well, tell you what, let's take a look and see what happens if you do that. Alright, as y'all can see, you can take the shot on the pig, and as long as you're quick about it, you're not really noisy, you're not doing a lot, you just get the hog, drag it off, hit test on your feeder, and hell, you could even, if you're quick with the controls, you can set the timer to go off like about 5 minutes, give you a chance to get back in the stand before it goes off. But you hit test real quick, the deer were already coming back in on the feeder, and the hog was just drug off into the bushes about 20 yards, 30 yards away. So there you go. If you wanted to know, now you do. Bohemian Hunting Club.